Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the challenges faced by informal settlements in South Africa and what can be done to address them. If you are a student of geography, this video will be particularly helpful to you as it will provide insights and knowledge that can be used to answer the paragraph questions related to this topic. Informal settlements are a reality for millions of people in South Africa who lack access to basic services, proper housing, and adequate living conditions. These settlements are often plagued by poverty, unemployment, crime, and lack of legal recognition. In this video, we will explore these challenges in detail and discuss possible solutions that can be implemented to address them. Join us as we delve into this important and pressing issue that's affecting the lives of so many South Africans and learn how you can use this knowledge to excel in your geography studies, especially grade 12. So we will start by how to construct your paragraph, and we'll go to basic services where we'll be on the content for the paragraph. The second content of the paragraph will be safety and security. The third one will be housing, and the last one will be legal recognition. So today is what are challenges faced by informal settlements in South Africa and what can be done to address them. So this is a question that needs you to get the challenge and also provide the solutions that can be used to address these challenges that you have addressed or that you have provided on the first point of yourself. So we are start by how to construct your paragraph. So read the question carefully. So by that we mean make sure that you understand the question and what is being asked of you. Identify the keywords and concepts that are important to the question. Number two, plan your answer. Take some time to plan your answer before you start writing. This will help you to organize your thoughts and ensure that you cover all aspects of the question or to the question. Then number three, provide evidence. So this is actually, I can say, optional because we use specific examples, evidence, or data to support your arguments or ideas. This will help you strengthen your answer and demonstrate your understanding of the topic. So this is optional but as well beneficial because it will make your teacher or whoever will be marking your work to be like more interested in reading your paragraph than just marking. So number four, use appropriate language. Use clear and concise language that is appropriate for the context and audience. Avoid using complex language or jargon that may confuse the reader. So you have to use clear language there and do not use those bombastic words, just get your understanding and then put it there and then get that 100%. So to our first point of the paragraph, which is basic services. One of the main challenges faced by informal settlement in South Africa is a lack of basic services, such as access to clean water, sanitation, and electricity. So, for now, electricity is something that is a challenge that we are all facing, even on urban areas, but we are not there. For now, we are focusing on informal settlements. So, this lack of basic services can lead to poor living conditions and the spread of diseases. To address this challenge, the government can provide basic services such as water and sanitation facilities and electricity to informal settlement. NGOs and private companies can also play a role in providing these services to informal settlements. All these all basic services information is containing two parts of your paragraph, which is challenges and the solutions. So you already have 2 points. So your paragraph, I guess, each have to have 4 points, where one point is equal to one or is equal to 2 marks according to the paragraph questions from grade 12. So yeah, let's move on. Now we are safety and security. Informal settlement often lacks basic safety and security measures, such as street lights, police stations, and fire stations. This leave residents vulnerable to crime and natural disasters. So this is the challenge. So and now we are getting to our second point of safety and security, which is addressing the challenge. I can say solution. To address this challenge, the government can provide basic safety measures such as street lighting, police stations, and fire stations in informal settlements. So NGOs can also again play a role in providing security measures such as community policing forums. I guess some areas have those policing forums, but some areas have started those projects and couldn't finish them. So it's a lot. So we are going for housing, which is very essential for any settlement. So without housing, I don't think there can be a settlement. But then, informal settlements in South Africa are often characterized by poor quality housing structures made of cheap materials such as corrugated iron sheets or plastic sheeting. That are not suitable for permanent dwelling. This can lead to overcrowding, poor ventilation, and inadequate living conditions. So now we are going to our second point of this housing topic. To address this challenge, the government can provide affordable and suitable housing solutions for informal settlement residents, such as subsidized housing, upgrading informal settlement, or relocating informal settlement to more suitable locations. So, and now we have, I think, 2 points from here, 2 points from previous one, and 2 points from the first one. So we have 6 points now, which means we are on a second paragraph when it comes to exam paragraph questions. So let's go to the legal recognition. So this is the last uh, topic, or I can say um, I can just say topic that we'll be talking about. Informal settlement in South Africa are often not recognized by government, which can lead to eviction and demolition of home by local authorities. To address this challenge, the government can recognize informal settlement and provide tenure security for residents. This can be done by legalizing informal settlements, providing land tenure, and regularizing land use. So NGO and community-based organizations can also play a role in advocating for the recognition of informal settlements and providing legal support to residents. So now we are done. These are our points. Our four topic points I can say, but they are containing 2 points each. So we have a total of 8 points for paragraph question. And we are going to the last one, which is now summary. Now everything that we were talking about on this video, where we can say informal settlement in South Africa face several challenges, including lack of basic services safety and security, poor quality housing, and lack of legal recognition, which is something that we have been talking about this whole video. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-sectoral approach that involves government, NGO, and community-based organizations working together to provide basic services, housing, and legal recognition for informal settlement. So, guys, thanks for watching this video on the challenges faced by informal settlement in South Africa and how to address them. We hope that you, as a grade 12 learner, found this information helpful and informative, and that is has provided you with insight into this important topic that you can use to excel in your geography studies. If you need help with paragraph questions like this, please feel free to leave your questions in comment section below. We will do our best to provide you with a comprehensive and insightful answer that can help you achieve your academic goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this, and thank you for supporting our mission to bring quality education to all grade 12 learners. We love you.